Hi, this video is to show what I do when I get to the end of a quilt. So I'm really just getting started with the QCT5 Pro. This is a Excel file that I have, and you'll find it on the QCT Facebook page in files. It's the maximum quilting space at the end of a quilt. So it has all these different columns that you can record things. So I have finished this quilt. It's done, and so now I want to go into the yellow ruler, and there's also a yellow ruler in the red toolbox if you're still in the quilting interface. And when you want to measure, just touch that yellow ruler and then push your machine all the way back, okay, and touch there, and you're not like cranking it, you're just enough to kind of let it lightly touch, and do that. And then take that measurement and record it. So now I know that my quilting space at the end is 15.5 inches. And the reason that is helpful is when you look at your pattern height. So this is 9.75. But if I wanted to be able to do 2 rows at a time, with this one I was only able to do 1 row, but that was the size I wanted the pattern to be. But when I see that I have 15.5 inches, I could have done, say, 7.5. I don't think I would have wanted to have gotten much bigger than that. Otherwise, it gets too hard to lock down in without having a little bit of margin. But I probably could have done two rows, 2 pattern heights. I shouldn't say rows. Well, it would be 2 rows, but the pattern height of 7.5 inches, because that would be my 15.5. So it's just something that might be helpful when you're first starting out, and might be the difference in what pattern height you choose if it wasn't so critical that you would be able to do 2 rows or maybe even 3, I don't know. But it's just nice knowing for what is the height of your quilt, and the fabric and the backing and the batting. And it's also a nice form to use for how many bobbins did you use. So anyway, just wanted to show using this this sheet of paper and how it can be used for in the future when you're deciding on your pattern height.